As someone who operates and owns industrial machinery or heavy equipment, you have three main goals: securing projects, delivering on time, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Everything seems to be going well until your machine breaks down. Suddenly, you find yourself behind schedule and potentially missing deadlines. Not to mention having to face angry customers or financial compensations. The cost starts piling up, and you wonder, how could this be? Wasn't the scheduled maintenance done just a few weeks ago? But let us tell you something. Machines break down when you least expect them to. And the repercussions are huge. Unplanned downtime could cost you up to $260,000 per hour. Yes, that's over $6 million a day. But what if we told you that this sum is completely avoidable? What if there is a way to predict machine downtime in advance? What if making use of this knowledge can maximize productivity and minimize risks of machine breakdown? We've got a better way than reactive or scheduled maintenance. Here at Groundup.ai, we have a crystal ball solution to help you identify and predict potential equipment failure. Predictive maintenance. We make sense of all your existing data and transform them into actionable insights. Using our platform called The Divine, our friendly AI, Gina, will help you to monitor the real-time conditions of your machines, identify the root cause of machine failures, predict potential machine failures, and plan the maintenance schedules accordingly. You can even generate machine health reports with a single click, saving you hours of paperwork. Now, some of you may fall under the following categories. You've collected tons of data and have no idea how to translate these into insights. You've no data on your machines at all, so you think you're not ready to use predictive maintenance. You're interested in the solution, but don't know if there will be any ROI. Don't worry. Our simple, elegant software captures all the data and gives an ROI of up to 24 times your investment amount. We also have a huge data reservoir that we can combine with any data you already have to give you a head start. So why worry when you can anticipate? Why waste when you can save? Why risk when you can avoid? Leave your machines in our safe hands. Don't waste your time and resources on what can be easily preventable. Let Groundup.ai kickstart your journey into Industry 4.0 by saying no to unplanned downtime forever. Talk to us now.